Bend of Ivy Lodge makes its home in the heart of the North Carolina Blue Ridge Mountains. There are many spaces for deep conversation to nurture individuals, small groups, and larger groups. From boutique weddings to workshops and retreats such as meditation, yoga, women's groups, creative arts, leadership development, and much more. Bend of Ivy has the land, buildings, and infrastructure to host many different types of events. We often hear that magic happens at Bend of Ivy for people and organizations. From corporate, nonprofit, leadership teams, small businesses, and environmental groups, Bend of Ivy is the perfect place to relax, renew, and create new visions.